The 2025 Pokémon World Championships in Anaheim are here, and the Pokémon Center's must-have items are stealing the show. Stay with GadInsider for the coolest merch scoop. Hey GadInsider crew! From Pikachu varsity jackets to a red Gyarados statue, the Pokémon Center at the 2025 Championships is packed with epic loot. Let's check out the top 8 items fans are obsessed with. The Pokémon Center Pop-Up Store in Anaheim 2025 is bigger and bolder, with themed areas and must-have merch. First up, plushies. Pikachu, Machamp, Jigglypuff, and Fennekin rock event-themed outfits, with Pikachu's varsity look being a fan favorite. The varsity jacket, orange with a P, and Anaheim 2025 logo mirrors Pikachu's style. The baseball shirt with a Pikachu shield and Anaheim 25 on the back is a subtle hit. Social media users raved that Pikachu plush is a need, and that jacket's giving college vibes. The greaser denim jacket featuring Arcanine, Skullcobble, and Pikachu nails the retro theme. For something wild, the Pokemon-themed boogie board, a mini surfboard for lying down, sports event logos and vibrant designs. The Pokemon chess set elevates battles with metal pieces and a drawer-equipped board, perfect for collectors. The red Gyarados statue, a raffle-exclusive, stuns with its shiny fury. Only lucky winners snagged it. The duffel bag with University Pikachu and event logos is a stylish travel must-have. The Jigglypuff record section with parody albums was a fun touch, but likely skip commercialization due to rights issues. Will Pokemon expand these exclusive drops online? With fans hyped for the championships, this merch is sparking major FOMO. That's the tea on the Pokémon Center's hottest 2025 championship items. Which is your must-have? Pikachu plush or Gyarados statue? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest tech scoops. Hit the bell icon to stay in the loop.